The nature of sin and collective evil. James 1, verses 14 and 15, describes how sin progresses, decide, conception, sin death. The Holocaust followed this pattern: national humiliation, post-WWI, Germany, resentment, scapegoating, dehumanization, systematic destruction. Sin becomes exponentially destructive when institutionalized. Jeremiah 17 verses 9 says, "The heart is deceitful above all things." Totalitarian systems often weaponize sinful tendencies: pride, fear, and tribalism. Dehumanization is theological collapse. When a society redefines certain humans as inferior, it commits theological error. Psalm 8 affirms humanity's crown dignity. To strip dignity from a group is to deny God's design. The Holocaust demonstrates how language shifts morality, propaganda reshapes conscience. Silence normalizes injustice. Isaiah 5 verses 20 warns, "Woe to those who call evil good and good evil." Please follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Your support truly helps spread the message. Thank you for being here.